Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your Android phone. First, download the Gemini app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Google account. You'll then be prompted to set Gemini as your default assistant, replacing Google Assistant. This ensures you can easily access Gemini with a simple gesture or voice command, making it readily available for all your needs. Interacting with Gemini is straightforward. You can type your questions or commands directly into the chat interface, just like a regular messaging app. For hands-free convenience, tap the microphone icon and speak your request. Gemini is designed to understand natural language, so feel free to ask questions or give instructions conversationally. It's like having a smart, helpful friend right in your pocket, ready to assist. Gemini offers more than just basic chat. Explore its extensions to integrate with other Google services like Maps or YouTube, enhancing its capabilities. You can also customize Gemini's responses and preferences in the settings menu to better suit your style. Adjust privacy settings to control data usage and personalize your experience. This allows you to tailor Gemini to your specific needs, making it even more powerful. To get the most out of Gemini, try to be specific with your prompts. Clear and concise questions often yield the best results. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of queries, from factual questions to creative writing prompts. Remember, Gemini learns and improves with your input, so providing feedback on its responses is valuable. Enjoy exploring all the ways Gemini can simplify your daily tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.